Hello, my name's Hannah. I'm a scheduler here at Horse and Country TV. The basic principles of my job as a scheduler is to create every single day on our UK, Dutch and Swedish channels. We create a wonderful day with promotions, adverts and all sorts of things that create a day that's suitable to go out on air on the channel. We are mixing very closely with our editors as they get the packages in and have to produce them, turn them around ready, suitable to go on air. So we need to know how long it will take from start to finish so that we can plan our days around that. That's one of many different aspects to do with scheduling, but it's a really hands-on place to work in scheduling. You need to be very good at communicating, you have to be very organised, have quite a good sense of humour because it can get quite stressful at times, but it is really quite a thrilling job to work here because every day is different and it's really quite challenging, but in a great way, and a fantastic place to start if you're interested in the media. Any part of the media can be applied with scheduling really, but it's a great team and it's a lovely place to work.